Namaskaram. Today, the topic coming under research methodology is writing the thesis or dissertation. In this topic, it is most important for UG, PG, MPhil or PhD students, those who are preparing or starting for writing their dissertation or thesis. And usually, in this regard, writing the dissertation or thesis, it is with two major parts. One is a general format of writing the dissertation or thesis, and second part is general principles in writing the thesis or dissertation. And usually it is with the general format. It includes two major criteria. One is the preliminaries, and second one is text and reference materials. And while coming to the second part of the writing the thesis or dissertation is general principles in writing. And normally in the general principles in writing, in this it contains, it is the main text of the thesis or dissertation. And normally this main text of the thesis includes title, introduction, a review of literature, materials and methods, and results. And the next one is the camera ready copy of the prepared or written document of the thesis or dissertation. And it includes the discussion, then summary and the conclusions, references, abstract, and the appendix. These are the part coming in the second section of writing the thesis, that is the main text of the thesis, which including or taking care in writing by following the general principles in writing the dissertation or thesis. Okay, coming to the first part in this session, we are discussing writing the thesis or dissertation. Okay, please write down. In the preparation of a thesis or dissertation, there are a number of format specifications. Okay, first up. Next, subheading general format. 1. The preliminaries. Then 2. A text and the reference materials. Okay, first up. Next paragraph. The preliminary pages are of vital importance. First up, they give the reader with a complete list of material included in the dissertation or thesis. Next paragraph. The first page is the title page. First up, the title should be brief with a 3 or 4 comma or a group of words having effective specification of the work, semicolon, given at the top of the page. First up, next paragraph. The middle part of the first page indicates statement of submission, comma, for which degree to which the thesis or dissertation is submitted. First up, it is to be printed in an inverted pyramid. First up, at the bottom of the page, comma, the full name of the student, the institution in which the study was done, and the year of submission are to be furnished. First, next paragraph. The middle page is followed by a page of certificate, declaration and acknowledgement page. First up, next sentence. In acknowledgement page, the scholar is expected to acknowledge the help, guidance, assistance, and any special and non-routine aid, that is given to him by others. First up, next paragraph. The table of contents is the next section. First up, it must give all chapter heading such as abstract, introduction, a review of literature, or bibliography, materials and methods, results, discussion, summary and conclusions, and references. First up, in few cases, subheadings, with their corresponding page numbers. First up, next paragraph. The second part is the thesis itself. First up, it consists of different chapters. First up, in this section, the writer presents his facts on the basis of points of his argument. First up, this part consists of introduction, body of the report, conclusion, references or literature cited, and abstract of the dissertation or thesis. First up, so this is the major general format usually following while in the writing of the thesis or dissertation. Next heading, general principles in writing. Okay, writing is the best mode of communication. First up, the random thoughts are brought in an organized, unified and crystallized systematic manner. First up, so, one has to learn to write precisely with clarity and effectiveness. First up, in the thesis, the scholar recounts in inverted comma what he has been done or to be done. First up, so the thesis has to be written primarily in past tense. Okay, first up, so this is the overall or general format while preparing a dissertation or thesis, and in this session we are concluding here with these two topic or items while writing a dissertation or thesis, and it is the part of the preparation of a dissertation or thesis by a student or a research scholar. So these are the general format, and occasionally there are certain standard following format are there in a little or slight modification, but almost the same pattern is followed in every dissertation or thesis while writing and preparing the dissertation or thesis for the submission. So then we can discuss in the next session about the main text of the thesis. Okay, thank you.